know either. Okay, it's still something we got to answer though. Okay, still something we got to try to answer. So I'll do my best right now to try to help you guys through this one. It goes through this whole thing with 120 cubic feet, wheelbarrow holds this, 10 minutes to complete. There's a lot going on here. Bottom line on this one is you need to figure out the number of what? Hours to complete it. I'm not asking you to find the actual number of hours. I just want to know in hours, how would I figure this out? And if I don't know if you guys remember from when we did multiplying fractions or not, but when there is something on the top and on the bottom, I can get rid of it. I can cancel them out. All right. If both of them are on top, I cannot. If both of them are on the bottom, I cannot. So watch, ready? This feet cubed and, feet cubed and feet cubed can go because one's in the numerator, one's in the denominator. Can I cancel out the minutes? No, but I can cancel out loads, right? What's still left on top? I don't care about the numbers at this point. I just care about the units. Minutes over hours. I just need what? Plain hours. I don't need minutes in there. I just need plain hours. Everyone see where I'm going with this now. Keep going with me. Next one, what can I cancel out? Minutes, right? Anything else I can cancel out? Am I just left with hours, which is what it wanted me to answer it in? Absolutely not. I got it too. It's a mess up here. Okay, so that's gone. How about 3? What cancels out? The load can cancel out. Is that in hours? And then watch with number 4 now. What cancels out? Loads cancel out. Minutes cancel out. Feet cubed cancel out. What's the only unit I'm left with? There it is. Okay, it didn't need to know the final answer, just wanted your answer in hours, and that's the only one that leaves it in hours and not hours and some other stuff with it. Okay, so I don't know what to do with that one, but that's the way that one is. There's going to be very, very tough ones on there that you're going to have to just grind through. Yep.
So for 34,
okay.
Could you, for the word answers, can you just kind of put anything as long as it makes sense?
For this one, I didn't assign this one because honestly, I'm not a big fan of it. Because here's my opinion on it, and you got to answer it, obviously, if it's on there. But my opinion, you guys don't even drive. So how the heck are you going to know? But yeah, basically, yes, something that there's not really one distinct group of words we're looking for you to put together. All right, and it's just really put together what you think is best. Like explain what might have happened from B and C. There was traffic. A dog ran into the road. Yeah, something like there's so many different answers we saw last year with that one that we accepted just because there's 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th graders taking this exam, and who drives? So they're literally. I remember the one I graded. A dog ran out into the road, or somebody hit somebody else or something like that. That's why traffic was stopped. So yeah, anything like that, Caitlin, would have been fine. Okay, Callie, 21. One characteristic of all linear functions. All right, well, let me just put a table up that should signify that it's linear. Okay, how do I know this table represents a linear function? Well, what do you notice about your y's? Every time? Yeah, every time it's going up by 2. So it's going up by a constant value every time, which tells me it's linear. Okay, so let's go over here. Change by equal factors over equal intervals. This is another one that drives me nuts. Just because of the darn wording. Equal factors over equal intervals. Okay, equal factors. That's multiplying. Like a factor of 2 or a factor of 3, you're going to be multiplying there, okay? And are you multiplying here, Callie? No, so the whole factors thing, out. Equal differences now. What's the difference between 4 and 2? Difference between 6 and 8? 2, right? Over equal intervals. 0 to 1. 1 to 2. 2 to 3. So you are going over there. Versus, here you go. I always want to explain each multiple choice. Unequal differences. What'd you tell me from 2 to 4? 4 to 6? Are these any of them not the same difference? No. Okay. Factors, again, would be I'm multiplying to get to the same number. So from 2 to 4, I multiply by 2, but I don't multiply by 2 again to get from 4 to 6. Okay. Next up, anything else here? Before we put this to rest. Marco. "60 students watch sports." Where should I put the 60? There's 3 spots I can put under watch sports. 60 people watch sports. And 34 of those did not like pop music. Where should I put the 34? Okay. Can you find like pop and watch sports now? Okay. How many people took this survey? Where should my 100 go? How many people don't watch sports? No. From my table right now, how many people don't watch sports? Because it's not going to tell you in the problem. From my table. 40. And that's about all I can fill out on my own. So now I go back to the problem. Of the students who did not watch sports, how many don't watch sports? 70% of them do pop music. So I got to go 40 times what? Well, I wouldn't multiply it by 70. I'd multiply it by, that would be 7%. 0.07 is 7%. %70 as a decimal. 70 divided by 0.7, yep. So 40 times 0.7, that gives me 28. And can you fill out the rest of the 3 from here? Okay. No. 12, yep. Yep. Got it. Okay. Watch sports total, 60. Anything else here for the June one? Okay. I'm done with the June one. I don't know, unless you guys are coming in to review and want to review others with me, because we did not do every single problem in here. Okay, we did not do every single problem. Okay, here comes the fun with me now. Everyone has August 2017. If not, there's still a copy or 2 up on the front. We'll see how this goes. You can work with other people around the room if you'd like, but once it gets to be something away from August 2017, I'll put you back into your original groups. You are going to start with number 3 and do every 3 of them. Okay, every 3. So 3, 6, 9, etc. All right. Somebody in your group, whether you move around or not, should have an answer key out. Okay, whether it be from JMAP or the video solutions. So you know you're doing them correctly. If you have a question, raise your hand. And if I find out about 2 or 3 of you have the same question, I'll stop everybody. It might be chaos, but I'm going to just stop everyone, and we're all going to go over it together up front. Okay? That's the way it's going to go. All right, so you need an answer key out somewhere. I am just not going to let you flow through these without having an answer key out. Okay, so you either go to JMap and open up the August 2017, or you go to the video solutions I posted on Aspen in 2017. Okay, please, if I know some people rather work solo, hey, I'm fine with that, but start chatting it up in here too. All right, because I think bouncing ideas off of just yourself versus 2 or 3 people, I don't know if that'll be a good idea. All right, so bounce it off each other here. All right, August 2017. Start on number 3, and then let's roll from there. Okay, everyone ready? August 2017, number 21. It talks about the Ebola going up 11% a day and the SARS going up 4%. And you have to decide which at day 10 and day 53, are they same? Is there more than one or more than the other? All right. They're going up by a percent. Okay, they're going up by a certain percent, which tells me this is exponential. Let us review right now how to write your own exponential equation given the percent. So I'm going to do one for Ebola right now and one for SARS. If you remember, it comes in this form, y equals ab to the x, any exponential equation you write. The a is the original amount. Original amount. You guys have probably did a lot of, hopefully you did a lot of banking questions maybe first semester with this. All right, you invest $3,000 at 10%. How much do you have after 2 years? This is what I'm going to use. What's my original Ebola cases? How many? Just 1. So 1 times, now your B value, is this growing or decreasing? Growing. So it's going to be 1 plus the rate. What's my rate for Ebola? 11%. So what should I be putting in that parenthesis if it's 1 plus the rate, not 111? 1.11, and I raise that to the t to the x, whatever your time is. Do the same thing for SARS. How many original cases of SARS were there? 30, and that's growing at a rate of 4% a day. So what's going to go in here? 1.04 raised to the x. Now it looks like you're going to compare day 10 with day 53 and answer the question appropriately. Emma.
If you plugged it in as 1 plus 0.11, would it still do the same thing?
Still do the same thing. Yep, absolutely. So now you guys can plug in 10 and 53 on your own to each Ebola and SARS and then find out where you're going. What's up?
Say if it was decreasing, you subtract.
So if it was decreasing, let's say Ebola going down 11%, I'd have 1 minus 0.11.
Yeah. So
0.89?
yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
And then in here, it would be 0.96.
Yeah.
Okay? Yep, you just subtract it. Okay, go ahead, get going again. Still got plenty of time here.